Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are doing an unboxing, installation, and product overview on the Thule Tepui Ruggedized Kukenam 3 Rooftop Tent. This tent is Thule's 3-person offering built for off-road use for your 4x4 trailer or off-road rig. The Kukenam 3 is available in 2 colors, haze gray and olive green. In this video, we will be setting up and demonstrating the haze gray model. This rooftop tent arrives in a large, reinforced cardboard box. Upon opening the box, you will find the tent's instructions as well as warranty information. As you can see, the tent comes out of the box in the folded position, mostly pre-assembled. Some assembly is required, however. Located on the side of the tent, wrapped in bubble wrap, are the tracks that are used to attach the tent to your crossbar. The rest of the hardware and accessories are located inside the tent. Release all of the straps and carefully unfold the tent to gain access to the opening. Located inside will be 4 things: the tent cover, the telescoping ladder, the tent poles, and a bag with the mounting hardware and supplied tools. To begin setting up the tent, start by inserting a nut into each side of the track. Located on the inside of the tent, under the sleeping mat will be a set of 4 holes. Insert the bolts with the large washer on them from the inside and place the tracks on the bottom of the tent. Tighten the bolts with a supplied wrench to secure the tracks to the tent. The brackets for the ladder will need to be installed next. Insert the bolts from the bottom, add a washer, and tighten them with the wrench. To attach the ladder to the brackets, place a washer onto the bolt, set the spacer in between the bracket and the ladder, and thread the bolt through the hole. Place a nut on the other end and tighten both sides with the wrenches. The ladder should be able to move freely when fully tightened. Buckle the strap that extends over the ladder to hold it in place. To install the cover, slide it into the channel and up and around the tent. Zip up the bottom and fasten the straps. To install the tent on your crossbars, insert the mounting hardware into the track on the bottom of the tent. Route the bracket under your crossbar and thread a nut onto the end of each bolt. Tighten each nut with the supplied wrench. You'll need to do this for all 4 corners until the tent is secure on your crossbars. Finally, insert all 4 end caps into the ends of the tracks. To set up the tent with it mounted, you will first need to remove the cover. To do so, start by releasing the straps. Next, pull the velcro apart to reveal the zipper. Unzip the tent all the way around and pull the cover off the tent. Release the straps all around and unfold the tent fully. Undo the strap that holds the ladder and allow it to telescope down to the ground. The buttons located under the steps of the ladder, when pushed simultaneously, allow you to adjust the ladder further to get the appropriate length. With the tent unfolded, you'll need to insert the supports for the weatherized cover into 3 locations on both sides of the tent to increase its rigidity. To set up the tent poles, release the cover on both sides and insert the tent poles through the seam in the tent into the holes. Repeat the same process to install the tent poles on the weatherized cover as well for each side. Close the velcro seam on each side of the tent to connect the 2 sides. And with that, your tent is fully installed and set up. Time to check out the inside. To get inside the tent, unzip the flap and roll it out of the way. Do the same for the windscreen as well. Inside the tent, you will find a padded mattress with an anti-condensation mat underneath to help prevent moisture buildup. Large zippered windows with screens are present for when you want to let in some light without letting in the bugs. This tent also has multiple tiered pockets for storage, vents for better air circulation, and 2 skylights. To open the skylights, you will need to remove the weatherized cover. To do that, start by unbuckling the cover on all sides and removing each cover support from its place. Remove the tent poles from each side of the cover and carefully pull the cover off of the tent. Unzip the screen to gain access to the flap on the top. Unzip and roll the flap out of the way over the top of the tent. Then, zip the screen back up to keep the bugs out of your tent. Thank you for checking out our video on the Thule Tepui Ruggedized Kukenam 3. If you have any questions about this tent, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.